Nino.
I can't see you.
Oh no!
Oh shit!
Why are you recording me?
I can barely see you.
That's right.
Your hair's around your face that looks like Santa.
No, that's a hood.
No, your hair's like it goes down there.
There. Beard.
Oh my god!
You did!
Very nice. No! I'm too fucking heavy!
Oh, fuck off.
Started.
Please don't tell me you just recorded that.
You can't see, but you can hear that you fell.
Oh.
You just tripped slightly. This whole thing's in black and you just see a sudden like white thing. And your face!
I keep falling over today.
Drunk on J2O.
Yep, I'm Amber.
Just so you can see, this is Sophie on the floor. Oh, I got a message! For that.
Who the fuck is it? What? Hi, Sinead.
Happy birthday, babe. Hope you have a wicked day. Love you, Bear. Who the fuck says that? No one.
Bear?
None of my friends say Bear.
Who's this?
Cover up the number.
Wait, what is the number?
I don't know.
5508. 5528 is Ellie!
Oh!
I think. I'm pretty sure it is.
Check your phone.
We're recording.
Wait.
Ellie?
Message from
I
Ellie.
love you, Ellie. If this is you.
No.
I love Ellie. Do you love Ellie?
Yeah.
We all love Ellie.